to Take Over VO. Today we have chili with no beans and no artificial flavors. Ingredients include water, beef and pork, textured soy flour, oatmeal, corn flour, chili powder, including chili peppers, and flavoring. Contains 2% or less of sugar, salt, modified cornstarch, and hydrolyzed soy, corn and wheat protein, and tomato paste, flavoring, yeast extract, and spices. Thank you for listening.